Hey guys, we're going to be trying another new Ghost energy drink today. What do we got?
We got the Welch's Grape-Cran. Because right now they have a grape.
Yep.
Yes.
And a couple of flavors are going away. The Sour Patch Kids Blue and Red, the Warheads.
That was a good one.
I think there might be one other one, but those are going away. We still do have them here.
Yeah.
If you guys want to pick them up. And supposedly there's a 7-Up and a Dr. Pepper on the way, so we'll see.
You know, I always use the Swedish Fish. Is that the one going away?
That's my favorite.
Yeah.
That's going away as well.
Yeah, that one was amazing. But my new favorite, which is still hard to get, and I hope they keep it, is that raspberry cream.
Okay.
Oh, that one is delicious.
There's a rumor, I don't know if it's been confirmed, they're coming out with a strawberry cream, but it's kind of meant to be like the Good Humor strawberry shortcake bars.
Oh, that would be.
So I think somebody showed a picture of a can that it wasn't just a mock-up, so we'll see.
Okay. So this one is the Welch's Cran. As usual, only 10 calories, 200 milligrams of caffeine, and 0 sugar. And it's got some carnitine in there too. Epic Focus, Legendary Energy, 0 sugars. You've heard it all, and we've gone through all these. So let's see what this is all about.
What do you think of the regular grape?
I'm never a fan of grape. I don't know. Energy drinks, I'd rather drink something else.
If I'm going to have a grape, I think I'd prefer a grape soda to like a grape juice.
Yes. Like when I was a kid, I used to go to White Castle, and they had some kind of grape drink there that was delicious.
When's the last time you had White Castle?
It's been a long time. It's similar to the Welch's grape.
Mm-hmm.
Eat
a little bit of that cranberry sourness at the end.
Yes.
I think I prefer it to the Welch's grape.
Yeah, I haven't had the Welch's grape enough to compare. I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely not one of my favorites. Tastes kind of like trying to be a healthy energy drink because you got the cranberry in there.
So I'd probably have this once in a blue moon. So we always rate these on level of carbonation 1 through 10.
I think it's pretty carbonated. It's not overly carbonated. I'm not, belching yet, so I would probably give it about 7.5.
No, says it'll go 6.5, 7.
Okay.
Strength of flavor 1 through 10.
It's got good flavor. I mean, you can really taste both of them. I think the grape still comes out a lot for me, but flavor-wise, it's pretty close. I'm gonna give it an 8.
We'll go 7.5. Not quite as strong as some of the candy ones.
Yep.
And then level of sweetness 1 through 10.
It's kind of a Ghost is always a little bit sweeter, but I think the flavor profile in here makes it so they're not trying to be very.
It's not like a Swedish Fish.
Yes, so I'm gonna probably go 7.
I'll agree with you there.
All right, so this I don't think we have yet.
Not yet, no.
No, I found this, I don't know, Jewel-Osco or Jules, or I think it's at gas stations too, but we can link out to Ghost, if you find it out there, try it out, see what you think, how it compares to the rest of the flavors. You know how we think now, so I hope you enjoyed this review. That's John, I'm Jeff, thanks for watching.